So tell me a little bit about your background, your training. I guess when did you know you wanted to be a dentist?
You know, I made the decision to become a dentist really early college years, probably sophomore year of college, and that had been after, you know, as a child, I had a pretty serious bike accident that got me into the dentist chair for quite, you know, a number of extensive visits, and so I got to experience some really good dentists. And then once I was in college, I spent some time shadowing a couple of dentists, and it was my dad that really kind of pointed out to me that, you know, you have some pretty good gifts as far as your artistic ability. You love the biological sciences and you love people, and that, you know, maybe look at dentistry. And he kind of nudged me that way, and I kind of opened up my mind to look at that. And once I did shadow these couple of different docs in college, I learned that, you know, this is something I think I'm really interested in, and I committed to that process.
I've seen your photos.
Yes.
And some of your extreme makeovers.
Mm-hmm.
And you say you deal with a lot of sedation patients.
Yeah.
Do you like it a lot more than you thought you were going to like it?
You know,
Because you're one of these guys that like seems to really love it.
Well, dentistry, I think, like anything, is you can spot the people that are passionate about what they do, and you know when somebody loves what they do. You can see the passion, and I think it shows in what they do, how they treat their patients, their finished product, if you will. Somebody from Ferrari, you know, I don't think that they have anybody that works for them that isn't passionate about putting out one of the finest sports cars in the world. And so that's the way I am about, you know, how I do dentistry and the way I do dentistry.
Are you a perfectionist?
I would say, yeah, you know, I am a perfectionist, but, you know, I wouldn't say to a fault. I'm adamant about taking the best care of our patients that we can, and that's just not while I'm working on them. That's with my team. I really believe that it's from the time they walk in the front door and they're greeted to the time that we're all finished and they're leaving, that they feel good through that whole experience. That's really important.